In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete customer in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to watch out for so you can clean up your customer list with confidence. First, open your browser and go to your Zoho Books account. Make sure you're signed in with a role that has permission to manage contacts. If you're part of a team, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that no one else is working on the same customer record so you don't run into any surprises while deleting. Once you're in, head to the Customer section. You'll find it in the main navigation. This is where all your customer contacts live. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to narrow it down by name, email, or status. Taking a moment to confirm you've got the right customer will help you avoid deleting the wrong record. Next, click to open the customer you want to remove. This takes you to their profile page, where you can see their contact information, any related activity, and links to transactions if there are any. Pause here to double-check details like the company name or primary contact, just to be sure you're in the correct profile. When you're ready, look for the More menu on the customer profile page. Click More, then choose Delete. Zoho Books will typically show a confirmation prompt so you can verify your choice. Read the prompt carefully, since deleting a customer removes the contact record from your account. If you're certain, confirm the deletion. A quick note on what might prevent deletion. If the customer is linked to transactions like invoices, estimates, payments, or credits, Zoho Books may not allow you to delete the contact. In those cases, you'll see a message explaining why the deletion can't proceed. If that happens, review the message and decide how you want to handle those linked items. Or consider marking the customer inactive instead of deleting. Inactive contacts stay out of your active lists, but remain available for records and reporting. Before wrapping up, it's smart to refresh your customer's list to make sure the contact is gone. If your team relies on reports or exports, you may also want to regenerate any customer lists so they reflect the change. That's it. You've gone to Zoho Books, opened customers, selected the right contact, and used the More menu to delete. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll keep your records tidy without losing track of important data. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.